Hi, it's Anne LaFleur from The Gift of Happiness. And today's loving kindness tip is about your own happiness and how it is actually a gift to the people around you and a way of loving the people who are in your life. So often, I think we're told, don't be happy. Isn't that selfish to just pursue your own happiness and ignore other people? As if it's a choice between our happiness or somebody else's. In my experience, it doesn't really work that way. What I know is that when I'm around people who are happy, like authentically happy, not pretending to be happy, but really are, like they're just filled up, I love being around them because in their presence, I don't feel like they need anything from me. I don't feel like they are subtly expecting things of me. I don't feel like I need to be a certain way in their presence in order to please them. I'm allowed to just be me, and I know that they're going to be okay. And that is the biggest freedom for me to feel that way around somebody else. And so if I flip that around and think about, well, what's a gift I can give to somebody else? If I can take care of my own needs, if I can make sure that I am eating well, sleeping well, moving well, those basics, but also just taking care of my emotional needs and my social needs, my needs for accomplishment and fun and joy in my life, the more I can make sure that those are attended to, the more other people in my presence are freed up to be who they are and to pursue the things that make them happy. And it's really a win win. So, my invitation to you today is to think about what would make you happy? What can you do? What little things in this moment and throughout your day can you do to fill yourself up so that you're more present and available to the people around you and perhaps help them be more present and available to the happiness in their lives? Have a great day. I hope you enjoy practicing.